I'm gonna show you how to make a great New Year's Eve dinner. These are an inspiration of some of the most popular small dishes in Spain. It's not authentic, but it's easy to make, not expensive, it tastes so good, and it looks fantastic. These are great for a finger food, and along with your favorite wine, these appetizers will make better your celebration. And these are tapas. We need a hot grill. I have chicken breast. I cut it in cubes, little medium size. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika. We season with salt and pepper to taste, and black pepper. Olive oil, about a tablespoon. And now we mix. Baby red onions, red bell pepper, very hot skillet, aluminum foil. I'm gonna add olive oil to all the pan. We're gonna place here the skewers, aluminum foil again, and we finish in the oven 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of capers. I'm gonna add also here 2 cloves of garlic, salt and black pepper, a teaspoon of pepper flakes, a teaspoon of paprika, and now we mix it. You can use this scoop to make this easy, and then just fry them in oil. Now we're gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna add 1 can of diced tomato, and I'm adding also 4 Roma tomatoes, medium-sized cubes. And we want this salsa spicy. If you don't like spicy, just don't add pepper or add a little bit just for flavor. Red pepper preferably. I'm adding Thai chili hot pepper. We're also gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and also a tablespoon of paprika. We season with salt and black pepper, and now we blend it up and add the half of the salsa. And of course at the end you want to serve everything warm. So my way to keep it warm or to warm it up is in a pan. It doesn't have to be a disposable, you can use any other pan. I'm just gonna separate everything in foil. Now in a pan, we're gonna add olive oil, about a tablespoon only. And this is about a tablespoon of shallot, 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 cups of shrimp already cooked. It can be frozen shrimp. And remember that salsa, we're gonna use a little bit, about a half cup of salsa. Now just let the liquid to dry up a little bit. Should be fine. Turn it off. And I have another compartment here. I have here sweet peppers. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, and black pepper. Toast the peppers, lay them in the pan. We're gonna roast them 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Peppers are already roasted. We serve it. Oh my god, this smells so good. And then just for garnish, parsley. We want about 2 cups of diced potatoes. These are 3 medium-sized potatoes. I cut it in dice, small dice. And I'm gonna toast it also with olive oil and salt and pepper. Also a piece of foil in the sheet pan. Toasting the potatoes. Lay them on the pan. We're gonna roast it at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here we have already roasted potatoes. We can add salsa just on the center of the potato. Parsley, the patatas bravas are ready. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have this a brown bunashimeki mushroom and also gnocchi mushroom. And we need about 2 cups of the mushroom. And then we add salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika. And in one side, I have anchovies. I'm gonna use about 5 anchovies. They're sliced and thin. I'm gonna place them on the side of the pan. These are anchovies that comes already in olive oil, and I'm gonna kind of chop them a little bit with the spoon just to make small pieces. Now we're gonna mix them. We'll make a compartment for the mushrooms and save them. And because I wanted to make this easy and simple, I got this one in sunflower oil, and I'm gonna drain the oil as much as I can. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add the octopus. And I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of pepper flakes, and half teaspoon of sweet paprika. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Now let's just mix it. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. Have 2 potatoes that I boiled and I cut in half. So we want to slice it not too thin. Put a slice of potato over the slice of fresh bread. I'm gonna dress it with a little bit of olive oil. And now we're gonna place the octopus on the top. This is tuna and water. I already drained the water. Peas and carrots, and we're gonna add about the same amount of potatoes. I have potatoes in a can. And I have a 1/4 of a cup of olives, salt and black pepper to taste, a half teaspoon of pepper flakes, and squished lemon juice, about a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. These are 2 hard-boiled eggs, only the egg whites. And mix it. Now in the mortar or in a little blender for spices, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, dried thyme leaves, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's mix it. Kalamata olives, 1 cup of whole olives. Let's mix it. There we go. We're gonna make a very simple garlic aioli. This is garlic, very finely chopped. And we're gonna add mayonnaise, about a half cup. Mix it really well, and we're gonna serve this on the side along with salsa, and it's gonna be great to complement the tapas. Here are the samples. Don't forget to serve this with fresh sliced bread. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you and Happy New Year!